introduce myself to you. The name's Philip. I had a beautiful wife and son.
I know. You know, you gotta be careful, okay? I don't wanna lose you.
You won't open my car door.
That's until you and your boys took him out. I miss them dearly. All I want to know is where your boss lives.